Alright guys, we're back at the Hilton, Minneapolis airport. Look what happened to the Dovers. They got modded. An Otis mod, so these are Dovises now. That one over there is still in the process, but it's almost done. I wish I knew about this earlier, but unfortunately I didn't. They replaced everything, and I mean everything. This one. The doortrack's original, but other than that, I don't see anything else that is really original. New motors, new brakes, even cabs, just everything is new.
First floor.
Here at 1, 12. So smooth now.
Floor.
12. Door climate actually sounds original. Let's go to 1. Some of these buttons already seem a little loose. Get a cab view. Look, we're stopping.
Going down. First floor. Going up.
Let's get the other one. 12 used to be locked, but it's open now, or at least temporarily.
Floor.
Figured we'd switch on the guest floor. It's weird. This one doesn't have the fire on the call button. That one does. I don't know why they didn't match it. That kind of bugs me, actually. I don't know where this one is. Yeah, the doors are original. It's a shame these got modded, honestly. These had some character. It was honestly inevitable, though. Here we go. Something might be in it.
Going down. First floor. Going up.
Coming up?
Yeah.
Which one are you going to?
10. Come on. Thank you.
No problem.
Bailey. She just like everyone. Well, I guess she can. She's a dog, right?
Yeah. They're cute.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Come on.
Have a good one.
You too. Come
Thank
on.
you.
Forward. Come on.
That was funny. As you can see, these are definitely busy since one of them's down.
12th floor.
It's the exact same. I'm curious about it.
Going down.
Oh, there it is. It's here. That's just shut hard.
Going down.
Yeah, there it is. Looks pretty close to being done. Yeah, the door equipment looks original for the most part. I guess one down 2. I think we're stopping. Yep. I might just get off here. Coming down?
Going down.
Hey, man. You want a 1?
Yes, we are. Let's throw this in the truck. And,
Second floor.
Have a good one. Thanks. Well, rest in peace, Stovers. That'll be it.